What are you doing? It looks like you have skis on or something. Are you wearing mommy's shoes? Yeah. What are you doing with my shoes? They look huge. Yeah. They're so big. Uh-oh, it came off. You gonna put your shoes on now? You ready to put your shoes on? Sit down. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Did you say here? Get your foot in there. Thank you. Yeah, I gotta put those on next. All right. Get your foot in. That's your jacket. Is your foot in there? Hold on. Okay. I'll put your jacket on. Stand up. Here, stand up. All right. Good job. Ready for your jacket? Oh, wrong arm. Wrong hole. Here. Put this arm in this one. There you go. Other arm. Good job. Can you say bye-byes? You zipping up your jacket? Alright, Mommy will do it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Good.